Yo, what's up everyone? It's Discovery Depot back again with another video. This time we're diving deep into the world of AI that's already here, integrated into the tech we use every single day. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These voice-activated companions are becoming increasingly sophisticated, learning your habits, predicting your needs, and seamlessly connecting with other devices. Imagine starting your day by asking your assistant to brew your coffee, adjust the thermostat, and brief you on your schedule. As AI technology advances, these assistants are only going to get smarter and more helpful. Virtual assistants are also becoming increasingly integrated with smart home devices. Need to dim the lights, turn on some music, or even preheat the oven? Just ask. For those always on the go, virtual assistants are the ultimate productivity companions. So whether you're a tech-savvy early adopter or just starting to explore AI, virtual assistants are the perfect gateway. Let's talk productivity. In today's fast-paced world, being productive isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI-powered tools are like having a personal assistant, always ready to help you manage your tasks and streamline your workflow. Think of them as your proofreader, efficiency expert, and productivity coach all rolled into one. First up, Grammarly. It's like a supercharged spell checker that not only catches typos and grammatical errors, but also suggests better word choices and helps improve clarity and conciseness. Then there's Notion AI, a versatile tool for organizing your thoughts, ideas, and to-do lists. Notion AI can help you generate content ideas, summarize lengthy articles, and even translate text, making it a true game changer. Imagine having a tool that can take your scattered thoughts and turn them into a coherent plan or article. For Microsoft Office users, there's Microsoft 365 Copilot, seamlessly integrated into apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Imagine writing a few bullet points and having Copilot turn them into a polished presentation, complete with visuals and formatting. These AI-powered tools streamline your entire workflow, making it easier to manage your tasks and projects efficiently. They automate repetitive tasks, help you prioritize your to-do list, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. As AI continues to learn from our habits, these tools will become even more personalized and intuitive, adapting to our unique workflows. Imagine software that anticipates your needs and automates tasks based on your past behavior, making your workday smoother and more efficient. These tools are designed to help you reclaim your time, allowing you to focus on what really matters. With AI-powered productivity tools, you can work smarter, not harder, and achieve more in less time. Embrace these tools and watch your productivity soar, giving you more time to focus on the things that truly matter in your life. Let's get creative. AI isn't just about productivity. It's also about pushing the boundaries of creativity. Adobe Sensei is integrated into Adobe's suite of creative apps like Photoshop, Lightroom, and Premiere Pro. Features can automatically enhance images, remove unwanted objects, and even generate realistic 3D models. Canva's AI features make design effortless and intuitive, helping you generate stunning designs in seconds. AI art generators like DALL-E can create original artwork from text descriptions. These tools are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated with each update. Imagine software that can analyze your artistic style and generate custom brushes and textures. AI-powered tools are here to empower you, spark your imagination, and help you bring your artistic visions to life. Let's talk health and fitness. In today's fast-paced world, staying on top of your health can be challenging, but technology is here to help. AI is making serious waves in wellness, helping us track progress and achieve fitness goals. With the power of artificial intelligence, we can now monitor our health in ways we never thought possible. Fitness trackers and health apps like Fitbit and MyFitnessPal use AI to analyze your data and provide personalized insights. These tools can help you understand your body better and make informed decisions about your health. AI can optimize your workouts, track your reps and sets, and suggest alternative exercises. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, AI can tailor your fitness routine to meet your specific needs and goals. AI-powered nutrition apps can help you make healthier food choices by analyzing your dietary habits and suggesting recipes. These apps can even track your calorie intake and ensure you're getting the right nutrients. AI is also being used to develop personalized medicine and diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. This means better treatment plans and improved health outcomes for patients. Imagine a future where your smartwatch can detect early signs of illness and your doctor can use AI-powered tools to create a treatment plan tailored to you. This is not science fiction, it's becoming a reality. AI-powered health and fitness tools are here to empower you and help you live a healthier, happier life. Embrace the technology and take control of your wellness journey today. Let's talk AI in shopping and finance. AI can help you shop smarter, save money, and manage your finances more effectively. AI-powered recommendation algorithms suggest products based on your browsing history and past purchases. AI chatbots can answer your questions, resolve issues, and help you find the best deals. AI-powered virtual stylists can help you find the perfect fit and style without ever having to set foot in a dressing room. AI-powered apps like Mint help you manage your money by tracking spending, categorizing transactions, and creating budgets. AI-powered robo-advisors provide personalized investment advice, and fraud detection algorithms keep your money safe. AI-driven credit scoring models provide a more holistic view of your financial health. AI-powered tools simplify your life, help you make smarter decisions, and potentially save you money. The future of AI is about seamless integration, hyper-personalization, and creating experiences that are more intuitive and responsive than ever before. These experiences blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds, making our interactions more immersive and engaging. Imagine a world where your home anticipates your needs, adjusting the lighting, temperature, and even the ambience to suit your mood and preferences. Your home assistant could play your favorite music as you walk through the door or remind you of important tasks and appointments. Picture self-driving cars that navigate traffic seamlessly, reducing accidents and making commutes more efficient and stress-free. Personalized news feeds deliver only the information that matters to you, filtering out the noise and keeping you informed about what you care about most. AI-powered tutors adapt to your learning style and pace, providing a customized educational experience that helps you learn more effectively. Wearable health tech monitors your vital signs and activity levels, empowering you to live healthier and more fulfilling lives by providing real-time feedback and personalized recommendations. AI assistants help organize your schedule, manage tasks, and free up your time to focus on what truly matters, whether it's spending time with loved ones or pursuing your passions. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. It can revolutionize medical research, leading to breakthroughs that save lives. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to harness its power responsibly. We must shape its development and ensure its use for good, addressing ethical considerations and striving for a future where technology benefits all of humanity. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of AI tools transforming our everyday lives. From virtual assistants to AI-powered creative apps, the possibilities are endless. Technology has a way of sneaking up on us, and AI is no different. It's here, it's now, and it's only going to become more integrated into our lives. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools and discover how they can help you unlock your full potential. Dive in, explore the possibilities, and join the AI revolution. Thanks for watching. As always, thanks for tuning in to Discovery Depot Wyatt. We're all about exploring the cutting edge of technology and making it accessible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What are your favorite AI tools? What are you most excited about in the future of AI? Let me know.